Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've been researching and I found the best teeth whitening pen. It's so much faster than all those teeth whitening methods. I'm going to tell you about it, how quick it is to use, how easy it is to take with you, because you can use it at home or on the go. I found Dental Duty Teeth Whitening Pen. In order to do teeth whitening at home, I used to have to do all this complicated stuff, which include boiling molds and putting gel in there and making sure it was the right fit and keeping it in for a long period of time. And this teeth whitening pen eliminates all of that. It is super fast. And this is how I apply it. I twist up the pen so I get like a little bit on the front. And on it goes. I put them on each of my teeth, and on my bottom teeth, they're really yellow. And then I leave it on for 1 minute to about 15 minutes. And you can leave it on for 30 if you wanted to for maximum whiteness. I'm good about just even 2 or 3 minutes. It makes such a big difference. I want you to see what's going on in my teeth right now. See that? It's foaming. And that means it's working. Winner. And I don't swallow it. I just spit it out if it gets to be too much. It's foaming a little bit, and it's really getting where my teeth were yellow, down there. And when you're done, you just spit it out and rinse. It's been 3 minutes now. Let me show you the effects. Wow, it's so white already. And because this pen can travel, often I'll take it in my car and I'll use it before I arrive somewhere. And I have water in my car to rinse my mouth, and I'll use some tissues I have in my car. It's just so fast and easy. In every box you get 2 of the pens, and they last for about 20 treatments. That's definitely a full month for me. And of course, this teeth whitening pen can be used for people of all ages. This is one of my friends that came over to my house. She's such a doll. I asked her to try it, and she absolutely loved it. It's so fun to have my friends try out my beauty products. You might want to get one of these and give it to your friend and have them check it out too. Click the link below to get your Dental Duty Teeth Whitening Pen. It's mint flavor, and it's professional strength, and it's what I like and what I use. Check them out. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like this really simple recipe for beautiful, brilliant, clean, white teeth. If you like this video, check out these others, because they're also on ways to look more beautiful and vibrant in the world you live.